Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Ay. Ganja music, yeah man. Yeah. Me wake with a smile, sun a shine so bright. Me give thanks for life, me soul feel light. Me grab me herb, me chalice ready. Me mind steady, me heartbeat steady. Me step outside, me greet the day. Bird them a sing like them a pray. Me sit pan rock, high on the hill. The world stand still, me spirit feel chill. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me fly so high, me no need no car. Me float pan rhythm, me dancing breeze. Me soul release, me heart at ease. The fire blaze, the drum beat roll. Me chant out truth from deep in soul. In this moment, me feel so free. I tell living Rasta energy. Beside the moonlight shine like gold. Ancestors watching, story told. Me walk through trees, me hear the wind. Me chant a hymn, me cleanse me sin. No watch, no clock, no stress me wear. Me time divine, me path clear. Me and me queen hand in a hand. We build a liberty on sacred land. Me sip me roots, me feel the vibes. No mix me soul with Babylon tribes. Me rather live slow, live real. Feel Jah presence in a every meal. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me burn me herbs under shining star. Meditation deep, me third eye wide. Me feel Jah guide from deep inside. No war, no gun, just peace and drum. Me sing me song till Zion come. Me not beg fame, me not chase gold. Me story sacred, pure and bold. Nightfall come, me light the fire. Story flow like ancient choir. Me brethren gather, we share the plant. Me youth them laugh, me empress chant. We reason truth, both life and time. We sip some tea, we sip some wine. Me play me guitar, me chant a line. Rasta way divine. Me not judge no man fi impact, long as him walk with righteous heart. Me welcome all in a me zone. Love and ganja build me throne. Under stars, me close me eyes. Me feel Jah move across the skies. No church, no wall, just air and tree. That's where me meet divinity. So light up high and let it roll. The herb a key, the music soul. Me no last, me found in flame. Me and Jah walk in a one name. So when you're lost and life feel low, come sit with I, let ganja flow. Listen to drum, to wine, to fire. Let roots music lift your higher. Zion echoes in every sound. From mountain top to underground. Me message simple, me message pure. Jah love forever endure.
Ay.
Rastaman, perdit ya man.
Sunrise a touch me skin like jackies. Birds them a chant in a morning bliss. Me step barefoot on the cool wet ground. Earth talk to me, sweet is the sound. Me roll up herb, Italian on me pot. No riches me want, me already got. Peace in a me soul and the truth in me speech. Higher heights me seek, me not preach. Jah guide me, rise up Rasta higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long, but me heart still hold. Guide me. Me nah need crown or Babylon gold. Me treasures deep, me spirit bold. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah carry me through water deep. Guide me. Jah guide me. Inna hills me dwell, far from noise. Me hear me thoughts, me feel me joys. Bird fly free, trees sway so light. Nightfall come, stars bless me sight. Me chant with drum and sip me tea. Jah presence wrap me endlessly. Me nah rush, me pace is wise. Me soul expand, me spirit rise. One draw, two draw, me float away. Me mind makes space for the light today. No fear, no hate, no war me keep. Just melody and breath so deep. Me and me brethren sit and reason. Seasons change but vibes stay even. Me empress laugh, me youth them dance. Rasta way I give life a chance. Chow I.E. rise up Rasta higher heights me say. Smoke and chant the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. But even so love rule me mind. Me no leave no soul behind. We walk together, tribe and fire. To Zion gates, we climb higher. Dub wise echo inna the valley. Me beat me drum like sweet tamale. Me spirit dance, me ancestors near. Me feel them whisper inna me ear. Keep treading youth, don't lose sight. Your fire burn bright in Jah light. So me chant louder, smoke rise high. Blessed is the I and I. So if you feel lost in a world so loud, find the silence in the Ganja cloud. Listen to drum, listen to wine. Rasta journey come from within. Me nah need Babylon's validation. Me meditate on Jah vibration. And when me pass from this creation, me spirit fly to Zion nation.
Ay, 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 ay. Down by the riverside, with the ganja glow, yeah man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds a sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, urban and meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song, and in the peace me know me belong. Roots man meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought drift low. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Roots man walk in humble peace, and with each chant the weight release. Me cook ital stew on open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. Night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It burning high from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray.
me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say Rasta, why you smile? Me say me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we want the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots, man, chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me path is roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by me side. So if you're lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul we wake and not sleep.
The false Babylon system lying to us. Break the false system, yeah man. Me rise up with the sun on me face. Birds them a sing, me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Vital food pan me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. It's not for escape but overstand. Every leaf I give from the earth. Use with love, it me feel I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural liberty. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony one with the land. Roots and rhythm in a Jah hand. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why. And still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, me say again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a tie. For awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow, we chant and beat. Barefoot on the sand, no concrete. Every drop come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Urban harmony, sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, the spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high. But still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed. But them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me nah hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me nah debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life, me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm.
Lionheart, still Lionheart. yo yo, Kingston Kush, inna the caucus bang, yeah man. Me sit on the stone in the morning light. The world still dark, but me soul shine bright. Me close me eyes, me feel the breeze. Me heart beat slow, me spirit at ease. Me nah fight shadow, me build in a flame. Me call Jah name, me no look for fame. Me listen to the trees, them sway and bend. Each leaf a prayer, each breath me friend. Me burn a spliff, but me mind stay clean. It's meditation, not just a scene. Me search within, me find me path. Like lion roar, me escape the wrath. Lion heart, stand strong and still. Even when the world go cold and ill. Lion heart, chant through the storm. Peace in a soul, wisdom transform. Lion heart, roar soft and deep. In a love and roots, me soul keep. Me travel far, but me never move. Easy in me mind, me start to groove. Each thought a rhythm, each breath a key. Unlocking truths that just show me. Me see me fear, but me no run. Me face it like the rising sun. Me see desire, me let it go. Cause true freedom come from the flow. Me sip me tea, herbs steep in cup. Wisdom in the leaves when the steam rise up. Me feel connected to all creation. A part of the one, no separation.
The lion roar, quiet but fierce. Cut through lies, the veil it pierce. Me not shout, me just breathe. In a silence, me sow the seed. Roots dig deep, soul rise high. Like smoke curl up into Jah sky. Me no need no validation. Me walk with I on vibration.
Lion heart, hold steady ground. Even when the chaos sound. Lion heart, burn slow and true. With urban chant, me life renew. Lion heart, silent fire. Fuel for me soul, lift me higher. Me no teach it with loud voice. Me teach you present through choice. Me no chase what the world call gold. Me chant feel warm when the nights get cold. Me build strength from within the eye. Me see me journey through Jah eye. Me walk with me ancestors close. Them tell me Rasta do the most. Me reason with me brethren. Talk truth in a evening when we share food, share smoke, share laugh. Half a plate better than none and path. So if you see me quiet, don't mistake. Me building peace that none can shake. Me lion heart beat, strong and wide. Guided by Jah, me no need fi hide. Lion heart, meditation me keep. Even when the mountain steep. For me, every moment sacred is. Me live in truth, me live in bliss. Lion heart. Na 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 ganja. Eating Rasta soul, yeah man. In a silence me walk alone. Me spirit steady like carved in stone. Dub echo lead me way. Me nah stray, me chant all day. Smoke rise from me chalice bowl. Eternal fire purify me soul. No need for sword, me carry sound. Me fight them system underground. Me nah wear no crown or chain. Me wear vibration fi heal the pain. Every bassline like river flow. And every word plant seed fi grow. I'm a dub spirit warrior marching with the bass. Drum and chant, me footstep grace. No blood, no war, just love me bring. Meditation deep, me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true. Riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me levity. This roots man journey, I set I free. Me wake up early, sunrise light. Give thanks for the breath, the gift of sight. Me sip ital tea, me chant and pray. Me meditate and
chains of hate release. Floating in a echo chamber, dub delay like thunder rum. Me spirit high, me mind stay on. Me thoughts in rhythm, never stumble. See up, sir. Me nah run for fame or gold. Me run for the truth, fi never get sold. Jah love is the key and code, so me chant in a ancient mode. I'm a dub spirit warrior, barefoot on the ground. Sage smoke rise with healing sound. No ego, no chains, me walk in grace. I hold the drum like sacred space. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and wise. Smoke in me lungs, stars in me eyes. One drop beat and a lion roar. Me chant till them Babylon walls no more. Me ancestors whisper in the breeze. Me feel them walk through sacred trees. Every heartbeat sing to drum. Me know exactly where me from. Roots man step, no fear, no stress. Me spirit armored in righteousness. Rhythm is me sword, dub is me shield. And inna the dance me battlefield. Me don't need fame or chat or crown. Me need a spliff and a bassline sound. Me need connection soul to soul. And reggae music fi keep I whole. Light it, pass it, feel it flow. Inna the double rim, time moves slow. Jah whisper through the snare and bass, and me walk steady in holy place.
Aye, aye, aye. Deep meditation with Rasta. Oh, yeah, man. Serve from the virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drum make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link when me tell you true. In this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just reading Ganja and Jared. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype nor show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we praise for the herbs, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One drop Jah at the gateway for everything. So come be your friend, me open the gates. No time for hate, no time for wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Oh, nah, it's ganja time. Me wake up on hills of Jamaica. Sunrise blaze like a holy fire. Me wash me face in stream so clean. Ital breakfast herbs so green. Little breeze whisper ancient song. Me heart beat steady, strong and long. No need for alarm, me spirit rise. Me soul fly high on Jah sunrise. Me empress chant beside the flame. She call me by me sacred name. Rise up Rasta, the journey call. We chant Babylon till it crumble and fall. This a the Rasta journey, walking light from yard to Zion, out at night. Blaze up herbs, lift up your mind. Rastaman seek truth, not blind. We nah go bow, we nah go fake. Me soul stay firm, me heart nah break. This life a mission, full of fire. One love, one aim, one heart, one higher. Me leave the hills, reach town so loud. People run round in a digital cloud. Them plug in deep, them can't hear Jah. Them chase vanity, me say nah. System set trap in every lane. By this weird that still feel pain. Me walk through the streets in a robe so clean. The people stare like them never seen. Them say, who is this man with staff and dread? Me say, Rasta from Zion, me never dead. Me carry message them don't teach in school. Love and herbs that me only rule. Me reach a corner, roll a spliff. Lift me thoughts, make spirit drift. Me close me eyes, me overstand. Me nah need no crown fi rule me land. Ganja heal me like jahs. Inna the smoke, me find me bliss. Me reason with ancients through the mist. Them whisper Rasta, you were always this. Me return to the roots, to the hills me go. Me plant pumpkin, callaloo, mango. Me cook ital stew pan fire made. No salt, no flesh, me energy stayed. Me empress sing while pepper grind. She dance with breeze so sweet, so kind. The drum play rhythm from me soul. Every heartbeat, the mission all. Me youth them grow with conscious vibe. Them read, them chant, them overdrive. No tick-tock, no mindless show. Just ancient truth and love fi grow. This a the Rasta journey, not no race. Every step, me feel Jah grace. Smoke rise high in a sacred night. Me see me path in ganja light. We nah go stray, we keep it firm. Me learn from fire, me live and learn. Ital food and a righteous song. Me walk in Jah, me walk strong. So now me voice reach distant land. From Berlin streets to desert sand. Me sing for people lost in dark. Me bring them flame, me light the spark. If you feel the vibe, then share the word. Rasta speak through every verse, heard Zion echoes. We not play weak, we chant down lies, we rise and speak. Nah, nah, nah. Ganja is just medicine. a sing Jah time fi rest. Me sit on stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for ear. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful thrills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every drop call Jah name. Roots man live slow, live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah through leaf and breeze. Through bamboo talk and dancing trees. Me say Jah oh fi guide me feet. Just say move with love, your path complete. No preacher, no pope, just earth and sound. Me find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chase illusion, living fast but losing fusion. Me tell them slow down, feel the beat. Reggae a teach you how to eat, how to speak. Roots man a hustle, roots man grow. We plant seeds and let Jah flow. In a silence we hear the truth. In a herb we find real proof. Meditation a roots man code. It a the map, feel life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots man meditation deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We not rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jah face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me hum me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk Jah pace, me nah repeat. This life no bout likes or fame. It's bout fire inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise. For another chance, for brighter days.
Yeah man, Rastaman is I man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the river aside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rastaman must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the pot and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. Open your mind. One flame, burn Babylon time.
Nah ganja and sweat kaya man. Me rise up in the morning breeze. No alarm, just birds in trees. Sunlight kiss the Rasta face. Another day fi overstand the pace. Me stretch me limbs, me mind a clear. Me give Jah thanks fi still be here. A little herb, a little tea, balance me soul and energy. A meditation heals me, find me way. Me blaze and reason till night turn day. Me no chase the world, me just obey the voice of Jah. Me no go stray. Smoke rise high, me spirit glide. No stress, no war, no pride. Just peace inside and love outside. Me on this ride, Jah be me guide. Me no run down dollar, me run down roots. I eat all food cooking in bamboo shoots. Me reason deep with me sister in them. Talk about life and the heights of men. Me drum sound echo in a me chest. Every beat bring me soul to rest. Me know say Babylon still watch, but me stay firm like lion patch. Blaze for clarity, not just escape. Our herbs for healing, shape me fate. Love me weapon, peace me get. Me live simply, me live great. Now meditation heals me soul, me zone. With every breath, me come back home. No vanity, no mobile phone, just green trees and sacred tones. Smoke curl up like angel wing. Me chant for love, me chant and sing. Me see life in every living thing and give thanks for the vibes it bring. River run like redeem deep. Me bathe me skin, me soul me keep. Me sit on rock and close me eyes and reason with the butterflies. Me no care about who wear crown. Me care about joy, not status gown. The mountain trod slow, but me trod is strong. Even when life feel too long, me burn out doubt, me blaze up faith. Me never early, me never late. Rasta way on a trend of truth, a link to roots, an ancient youth, a livity beyond material thing, where every breath a holy swing, a meditation heals me soul rejoice. Me hear the drum, me hear Jah voice, no confusion, me have me choice. Feel live free and chant me voice. Smoke rise up in sacred style. Me and the most I reason a while. From hillside prayer to city mile, me carry peace and Rasta smile.
Yeah, man kaya in a Rastaman lungs, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pan a mountain top. No phone, no clock, just me and just crop. Birds a sing, breeze a whisper me name. Peace na the heart, loving na the flame. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the day. Every puff of prayer, me troubles fade away. Me no need no riches, me no chase no gold. Me spirit stay young, though me body grow old. Hillside reasoning, under the sky so wide. Me reason with me brethren, no ego, no pride. Herb in a hand and wisdom in speech. We reach higher heights where Babylon can reach. Hillside reasoning, natural like the leaf. We burn down lies and chant out grief. In the hills we find truth so pure. With each draw we open the door. Me cook a ital stew with me coconut cream. Me nah eat meat, me nah live fi dream. Me live fi now, fi present, fi breath. Fi each moment me give thanks till death. Me dreadlock long, it tell me tale. A fire me walk through and storm and hail. Still me hold strong like ancient tree. Roots deep in Zion, me spirit stay free. Me chant Rastafari with every breath. Me praise the most high, me nah fear death. Me temple clean, me conscience bright. Me live with truth, me sleep with light. Them can't fool I with politics and fame. Me can't be bought, me no play them game. Me seek the stillness where silence reign, and draw the herb to ease me brain. Hillside reasoning, beneath the starry sky, where Jah's voice echo and angels fly. Hillside reasoning, roots man know what Babylon hide. Rastaman show. Me take a walk down through the forest trail. Me meet a wise elder with skin so pale. She says, son, keep walking the narrow way. Jah light will guide you night and day. Me carry our words like stone in pack. Every time me slip, it guide me back. Me no stray far, me mind stay sharp. Even when the world get cold and dark. Me burn one spliff for the last and poor. Feed the youth them crying behind closed door. Me sing for love, me sing for hope. Me words like fire, me music like rope. Fi pull up souls from Babylon floor. Fi knock on hearts, fi open Jah door. Me no preach hate, me no say war. Me say peace and unity near and far. Hillside reason, from roots to sky. We chant them truths, them can't deny. Hillside reasoning, natural and free. Inna the hills, me find the real me.
Aye aye. Yeah man. The white Kasiakwaska. Early morning barefoot pon the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No nice, just leaves a whisper soft. Jah presence high, me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff, fi bless the way. Me
Me mind get clear, me heart obey. Me no need no gold nor diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me eyes see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge. Me eat title, me soul stay clean. No poison in me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound. Louina whisper, stay humble, Rasta. Fire say keep the flame feature. Let it flow, me brethren. High earth remind, everything return again. Roots in the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant for bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold your word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The heart of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in a every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up, fi overstand. How we connect from Jah own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalms in breeze and flame. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance on earth, me sing with tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks for the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Light one more, I'll cure me spirit soul. Right life a flow, Rasta know.
Yeah, Zion, lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her off. We laugh and float in herbal pot. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel Jah love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. In a this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing the song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul. her presence. When world get loud, she call me mine. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me nah need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen bout life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So light the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she and endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony we levitate.
Ay, 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 Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in me face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene, just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plant me dreams in a Zion style. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest nights. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth them lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Jah mode. And one split fi the healing, and one beat fi the soul. So one love fi the children, one fire fi the goal. Me nah bend fi silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love this sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Read
reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
Ganja, smoke ya man. Early in the morning, me rise with Jah sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside on sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember worth. Roots of the morning light guide me soul through darkest night. Herb in a me palm, chanting a me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise I speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh Jah, bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light shine pa me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite, me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind resets. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Me rise up early, me ready fi fight. A warrior of the people standing in the light. Me no afraid fi defend the truth. Me rise for the youth, me rise for the roots. Them try fi break we down, them try fi control. But the spirit of the people, it touch me soul. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But me nah back down, me nah go in vain. We rise together, the battle begun. Me a warrior for the people, the world
work's never done. Jah give the strength, Jah give the shield. Me stand firm, me never yield. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me see the oppressors, them try to divide, but the people arise, we won't be denied. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the free. The strength of Jah guide, we destiny. We stand in unity, we stand in strength. Me fight for the people, me go the length. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the pain. We rise as warriors, we break the chain. Through the darkness, me see the light. Me a warrior for the people, me stay the fight. No matter the struggle, no matter the war, we stand strong, we ready for score. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me rise, me fight, me never look back. A warrior of the people, me on the attack. We stand for the truth, we rise in the light. Warrior of the people, we take the fight. Zion roots, Zion Nako, Zion. We stand firm in the storm, me no fear the rain. The winds may blow, but me remain. Through the darkness, me hold the light. Me stand firm, me rise, me fight. Them try to break me, them try to pull me down. Me feet on the ground, me wear me crown. The storm may rage, but me heart full of strength. Me stand firm in the storm, me go the length. Me no give up, me no run away. Me face the battle, me rise every day. Me soul unshaken, me spirit unbound. Me stand firm in the storm, me feet on the ground. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. We walk with Jah, me rise in the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise as one. The battle ain't over till the victory's won. Stand firm in the storm, we hold the faith. We trust in Jah, me no hesitate. We face the trials, we face the pain, but the strength of the warriors we sustain. Me no bow down, me no break. We stand firm, we never shake. The storm may howl, the thunder may roar, but we stand firm, we ready for the war. Me heart full of courage, me soul full of fire. Stand firm in the storm, we never tire. The road may be long, the struggle deep, but me no fear the heights, me no fear the steep. We rise above the chaos, the rise in the fight. Me stand firm in the storm, me trust the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. pressure, but me know me strength is just treasure. We rise from the struggle, we no feel the strain. Me stand firm in the storm, me no feel the pain. Me walk with courage, me heart pure. We face the storm, me endure. We hold the truth, we hold the right. Me stand firm in the storm, in the light. Through the thunder, through the rain, me walk with me brothers, we no fear the strain. The storm may rage, but me no back down, we stand firm.
Me see the struggling on the ghetto street. The Babylon system trample the weak, but the people rise, me hear the call. We not give up, we rise above the fall. Them try to break the spirit, try to break the soul, but Jah guide the steps, me know the goal. Me see the youths, them fight for the right. Rise above Babylon, them can't dim the light. Them want to trap we in a chains of fear, but we not bow, we standing near. Jah power strong, Jah will so clear. Rise above Babylon, no more tear. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat. Me rise above, me chant the truth. Me rise above Babylon, feed the youth. Them build the walls, them spread the hate, but we rise strong, we never late. Me see the fire burning at the heart of the youth. They march together, chant the truth. The elders say, we've seen the fight, but the next generation bring the light. We hold the faith, we hold the line. Just strength a guide, we feel the sign. We rise above the lies, above the greed. We chant, feed the youth, feed the people in need. Me see the victory, it come for sure. Rise above Babylon, me chant for pure. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant, feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat.